Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to fill these raised beds up for free using locally sourced and found products. Here's another one. From gathering local wood, wood chips, getting compost right here from your city, and a few other sources. We also have a secret tool that will help us out later. But I filled these beds completely for free. Check it out. Alright class, project number 384. The frost is on the ground, but we still have roses. Doing the raised bed vegetable garden. 1 and 2. Doing what's called hugelkultur. So taking these limbs, whirling them around in there like a nest, and then I'm going to stack a whole bunch of wood in there. Then I'm going to fill it with free compost, and then a grow house for medical marijuana got repoed. So I got to go get a whole lot of free topsoil, or not topsoil, but potting soil. So I'll keep you updated. Also, we got a ton of leaves yesterday. See if I can reach around. Oh, show you. So we can start making some leaf mold, and we're going to get the whole cycle started. Alright, so we have them full. Just some brush out of the yard, some old logs I found, some old logs that were donated to me, some bison bones that my son and I pulled out of the river. This one's mostly logs. And we're going to fill them up with free compost from the city. Hey guys, this is your first place, my first place. It's where the city dumps off their compost and the wood chips from all the limbs that come down and they mulch up. So you can already see the trash in it. You just got to kind of dig through it. Same thing with the wood chips. I've started composting my own stuff, and I can't even get trash out of my yard when I mow or anything else. So I think it's just a part of living in town. But anyway, check your local city, see where they dump their stuff, if there's a place for you. The king leaf thief, taking all my leaves. Alright guys, there is a little Mouska tool, a secret tool that's going to help us in our free adventure for dirt. Let me turn the camera around. I don't think I can. Hold on. Alright, here is our secret Mouska tool for free dirt. There was a grow house, and we're going to repurpose this medical marijuana soil. Alright guys, we're just giving everything a good wet down between layers. This is the free compost that I got from the city. Get it nice and moist. And then right over here is more of the free potting soil mix, I believe, from the repossessed medical marijuana grow house. And what I'm going to do is amend this with a little bit of organic fertilizer, some blood and bone, and then we are going to mulch it with donated mowed leaves. Alright guys, there's Mildred, she's a good helper. We are in the final stage of filling it up totally for free. And this right here is, I put on Facebook Marketplace, asking for your leaves if you've bagged them up already. And this dude already had these mowed up and mulched up. So we're going to use this as a free organic mulch. Water it down. Oh, what's that? So the worst part of this is picking out the glass and prophylactics and all the things that came into the free compost, and all the other stuff. So it's just been full of trash. But other than that, if you're willing to pick through the trash, I have saved a considerable amount of money filling both these beds up. Shoot me a message if you got any questions.